welcome to Plant-Based Planet. I think we got the name right. Yo, we back. It's the second joint. So today, first of all, let me tell you all, I am, along with starting this series called Plant-Based Planet, which is really, the focus is on ideas, like food ideas. You know, I ain't really teaching nobody how to cook and all the intricate stuff like that. But mainly it's just for food ideas, because as a vegan, a lot of times I just need, you got to be creative with your meals, right? Because it's so easy to get some starch and a little side of vegetables, you know, but when you're a vegan, you got to really be creative. So for me, just coming up with recipe ideas. And so I'm just sharing mine that I've acquired throughout the many years. And so today I'm going to show y'all, this is my breakfast. Now I'm doing this 200 squat a day challenge. So I might be looking a little crazy right now, but this is usually what I do for breakfast every morning. So I'm going to show you all a few of the different variations of smoothies. And so, you know, if you don't have the Vitamix, I'm using the Vitamix, and this one works the best because I got to get my chia seeds in. Chia seeds for me has like changed my life because of the fiber. Like, we're supposed to get so much fiber a day, like probably over 30 grams of fiber a day, at least for a big guy like me. Well, I'm not super big, but anyway. All right, so I try and get like, what is this? A cup of water, almost a cup and a half of water in there first. Then for this particular one, I'm doing spinach. My family left some little fruit cup. You know, them educators, y'all have those conferences and stuff, and it's like, oh, food's left over, you can take it home. So voila. So we're gonna put we gotta get rid of this, some strawberries. Ooh, there's some mangoes in here. Yes, I did wash my hands. So we got some mangoes. I'm gonna put a lot of mangoes in there. And one more strawberry. All right, so now I've been juicing and doing stuff like that for a long time, so I can't break down like the difference between like the acidic, alkaline, and all of that stuff, mixing what fruits and what vegetables you can mix. Now, I'm not a nutritionalist. I can't break that down. If you're a novice and new to mixing raw vegetables and raw fruits, do some reading. I've been doing it for so long now that it's just kind of muscle memory for me. So what else? Normally I would probably put some banana in there, but I do not think banana and cucumber is going to mesh well, even though it's good for after a squat workout like I just did. What else? I need my chia seeds in there. Got my chia seeds. Try not to be out of the camera for too long. All right, so we're going to add one last thing. I don't know if y'all caught that, but I put an apple in there, and because we have the cucumber in there, I'm gonna add grapefruit because grapefruit and cucumber are really good for blood pressure. And I'm a brother, so high blood pressure is just the story of my life. Right, so now, boom, we got our cucumber. I think I'm gonna put this last drop of water. We're gonna add our ice. We're gonna give it a go. Just to review, we got the spinach, some mango, strawberry, an apple, about 5, I think it was 5 of the small cucumbers, 5 small cucumbers, and a whole grapefruit with about a cup and a half, almost 2 cups of water with some ice. So we go. Let y'all check it out. That's what a beautiful green. No synthetic man-made supplements in there. As y'all see, it's all just fruits and vegetables. Now normally, if I would have had banana in here, and like different ingredients, and I'm gonna show y'all different smoothies I make, I would have had like almonds and stuff. But for this one, since I had the cucumber in it, I left the nuts and stuff out. So more so just fruits and vegetables. Ooh, we got the beast mode. Matter of fact, let me let y'all see. We got the beast mode mug. Yeah, shout out to the Bay. Shout out to the Bay. Big up to Marshawn, Phil, Rob, Shotty. Everybody. Everybody at Fan First. So this is it. This is, I think, my second episode of Plant-Based Planet. This is how we do it every morning, y'all. My whole concept is to start the day off with God's food, raw. Raw vegetables, raw grains, raw nuts, raw berries, raw fruits. And so this is how I'm trying to get my son to do it too. Every morning, start the day off with God's food before you eat, the man-made processed stuff. And if you can stay away from that, you're winning. All right, y'all. Oh, let me let y'all know how it tastes. You can make your own if you really want to know. That grapefruit, woo-wee. Not the best tasting smoothie, but boy, it's going to sure make me feel good. All right, y'all. Plant-Based Planet, we out.